Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 16th May 2026. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, always remember that a lot of time has gone by and that only a short time remains. You now have to forget those dirty bodies and this world and return home. Question: what intoxication should you constantly have so that your stage remains first class? Answer: constantly have the intoxication that there is death for the prey and joy for the hunter. We hunters will go home with our beloved, and everyone else will be destroyed. We will now shed these old skins and take new ones. Let all of this knowledge enter your intellects, drop by drop, throughout the day, and there will then be infinite happiness and your stage will become first class. Song is: Who came here today, early in the morning? Essence for Dharana. Number 1. In order to experience supersensuous joy, make effort to break your body consciousness. You now have to return home. Therefore, connect your intellect in yoga to the home. Number 2. Study while living at home with your family and do a double course. Bathe in this knowledge and stay on the pilgrimage of remembrance, and also inspire others to do the same. Blessing for today. May you transform yourself from being delicate, Komalta, into a wonder, Kamal, and become an embodiment of power and a conqueror of Maya. Details are: in order to become an embodiment of power, transform yourself from being delicate into a wonder. Be delicate in terms of transforming your own sanskars, but never become delicate while performing actions. Become an embodiment of power in this. Those who wear the armor of the form of a Shakti cannot be hit by any arrow of Maya. So, instead of being delicate, let the form of a Shakti be visible on your face, in your eyes and features, and you will be able to become a conqueror of Maya and claim a certificate of passing with honors. Slogan is: perform every actions while set on the seat of a Trikaldarshi, and Maya will run away from a distance. Avyakt signal. Constantly experience an unshakable, immovable and constant stage. Just as Sakar Baba demonstrated being an example of tirelessness and of having a constant stage, in the same way, you children also have to become examples for others. This is your service. Service doesn't take place just through words. Service also takes place through your stage. So, according to the time, make your stage constant and stable. Om Shanti.